Depression-operated second-stage throttle. Having looked at the refinements, there is one last area which we should investigate, and that is the operation of the depression-operated second-stage throttle of the 2B carburetor. Two versions have been used. The metal diaphragm housing and the black plastic unit both operate in the same way. When the first-stage throttle is closed, the second-stage throttle is prevented from opening by this mechanical locking cam. This cam releases the second-stage throttle when the first-stage throttle is approximately half open. The depression for operating the second-stage diaphragm unit is created via two small drillings situated in both venturis. When the first stage is opened, the depression created in the venturi acts on the second-stage diaphragm unit, opening the throttle only when the first stage mechanical lock releases. As the second stage opens, the depression created in the second venturi also acts on the diaphragm, increasing the depression to fully open the second stage throttle. When the throttle is closed, the first stage mechanical lock cam also closes the second stage. This is made possible by use of an override spring in the diaphragm unit's operating rod. Once the throttles are closed, the depression ceases and the diaphragm returns to its original position. Adjustments. There are no adjustments on the plastic diaphragm unit. The metal diaphragm unit should be checked for the operating rod length by releasing the ball joint and measuring the distance between the center of the ball and the base of the seat. It's adjusted by lengthening and shortening the operating rod. On certain vehicles, the 2B carburetor second stage is fitted with a thermo-pneumatic valve. This is to delay the opening of second stage whilst the engine is cold. This achieves two things. Firstly, it improves the cold progression characteristics of the engine, and secondly, it prevents maximum power output of the engine being used quickly until the engine reaches operating temperature, which prolongs engine life. As we've seen, the second stage throttle is linked to the first stage throttle not mechanically, but by a vacuum unit. This allows progressive operation of the second stage.